Hey everyone, welcome to my channel.
This is my very first YouTube channel, and I'm starting fresh with a brand new chess account. In this channel, I'll be playing real games and sharing my journey with you. I'd really love your support, so while watching, please tell me what you think about my opening moves, my attacks, and my defense. Let me know in the comments what you liked, what you didn't like, and what I can improve. If you enjoy the game, please hit the like button. If you don't like it, feel free to press dislike too, if your honest feedback really helps me grow. And don't forget to subscribe, because your support motivates me to create more chess videos like this. Let's start the game. If you enjoy the game, please hit the like button. If you don't like it, feel free to press dislike too, if your honest feedback really helps me grow. And don't forget to subscribe, because your support motivates me to create more chess videos like this.